How to enable or disable voice dial on the lock screen on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Face ID and passcode. Next, enter the passcode. And then we scroll down. Now in here, tap on Voice Dial. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on, switch it off. Now this only works on the lock screen. So here, if I lock my device, you can see on my lock screen here, I can say, "Hey Siri, call Mr. Brown."
Calling Mrs. Brown.
Okay, so if I switch it off now, so I'll go into settings and then we scroll down and tap on Face ID and passcode. Enter the passcode. Next, I will scroll down and tap on voice dial. I will switch it off. Now you can see that when I turn it off, and if I go to my lock screen and I say, "Hey Siri, call Mr.
Uh-huh.
Brown."
You'll need to unlock your iPhone first.
So it said I need to unlock my iPhone in order for me to use that feature. And that's it. So if you activate that features, then you can make the call without having to unlock the iPhone. So the option is there for you to use if you wanted to turn it on. For extra security, I would suggest that you turn it off. And there it is in here, voice dial. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.